Hey guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive subscribers and subs, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. The grands are on the bed and they need to be quiet. The TV is playing because they're watching, what is it, the Amazing Gumby or something? Something about a gumball. I have been trying to video this or record this for the last 2 weeks. And here's my coffee like normal and my February Valentine's Day Starbucks mug. And it doesn't seem like it's going to get any more quiet. So I'm going to go to the dig in because it's quite a bit of stuff. I got this from Ross. I got a couple things from Ross. I ordered some things from Staples, some from scrapbook.com, Amazon. I got some stuff from Michael's and Hobby Lobby. And yeah, just making sure ain't nothing from someplace else. But anyway, let's start with Ross since it's right here. I bought this mug for me. Really cute. Too glam. Beautiful mint green on the inside with a diamond in the middle. And that one's mine. And what I got for you guys, or one of you guys, because you know I've been buying, well you might not know, but I've been buying stuff for the giveaway. I bought this glam, have mercy. I bought this cup for one of you guys. I wake up like this, and Miss Girl even has a cleft chin right there. I don't know if that was meant to be because it's not on the other side, but I thought it was really cute. And it too has a mint green on the inside with flawless, isn't it? There we go, with flawless. So that is going in the giveaway for one of my very lucky, wonderful subscribers, one of my loved ones. And that was the only thing I got at Ross. Let's see, let's go with scrapbook.com. I got this at scrapbook.com. I had purchased the paper pad for this thing. What is this? The glassine paper. I purchased it, and I could never find this on clearance at Hobby Lobby, so I went on and purchased it. I don't even remember how much it was. It wasn't that expensive, but I did get it. And I also picked up 2 washi chompers, and guess what? One of them is going. One of them is going into the giveaway pile. Yes. So I have 2 washi chompers and one for one lucky winner. So let me put these out the way, and those came from scrapbook.com. This came in the mail today from Amazon, and one is this bungee. I couldn't say call it bungee cord, but this stretchy cord for T-ends, and this is really thick cord right here. So, but I went on and got this one in black. I wish they had it in gold, you know, all the metallic colors. And guess what else I picked up? 2 mini envelope punch boards. And guess where one of them is? Who is for? One of my lucky subscribers. Yes, when I have my giveaway. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. So let me put these out the way. And I'm trying to get the little stuff first. I bought these, and this is actually an accident. I wanted the bigger ones because I could never find the ones from Target. But these are the top-loading business card sticky thingies, and I wanted the other size, but I was gonna send them back, but I just decided to keep them. Let's see if I can get one out here. And you know, it's the clear pocket that you would attach, you know, with what we have been attaching to our TN. So, like I said, I started to send them back, but I keep them, and I just order the right size and be more mindful next time. And I ordered these from Staples. And also, Staples sent me $100 gift card or whatever this is for, what is this, nakedwines.com, and a $50 gift card for HelloFresh. Okay, let's see. Any other? Oh, from the thrift store. Guys, this is what I found. This bag full of wine corks. I just saw it, and that's the first thing that caught my eye. I snatched it up, and not that I'm gonna alter any corks, but I just thought it would be nice. I just really have no desire to alter corks, but I saw it, I picked it up, and it had these cute little acrylic grapes in purple and in an amber color, and I thought they were just cute. It would be really cute for somebody to make dangles or something with. And the person that had this was actually altering these little things, and the person was nice enough to leave 2 little altered people, cork people, in the bag. And I'm gonna leave these in the bag too. I'm gonna either put these on my Etsy shop, or I'm gonna put them on my eBay. One of the two. Probably eBay. But this was the only thing I picked up from Goodwill, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. And let's see, a smaller one is, I think it's Hobby Lobby. Okay, now I only picked up, I think it was 2, 3, just a few things. And one of them was this colored sprays. They're originally $9.99. I got them for $2.50, and I really do love these 2 colors right here. They're really pretty. I picked up this huge punch, and let me see if I can find the packaging. Here it is. It's been on the, ooh, sorry about that noise. It's been on the floor and everything stepped on, but it was originally $29.99. I got it on sale or on clearance for $6.75. And that's one deal I just couldn't pass up. No way. And I got some papers. Now the only thing I don't like about this paper is that it's not 12 by 12 sheets, and I've bent it already, so I'm gonna have to put it under something to flatten it back out. But these are the papers. Here's some coffee cups. I got 2 of each, and these were, I can't remember. I think they were on sale, but I can't remember what the price is. I got these eyelashes with a mascara wand. I got these beauty things, these beauty implements. Like I said, I just wish these were 12 by 12 sheets. And this is the last one I have. And I got, like I said, I got 2 of each. This would be an awesome TN cover. Oh, I would love to have this as a TN cover. I could still put 2 together and make it a cover, but I just really wish this was a 12 by 12 sheet. So, but what I'm going to do is put those in something to flatten them out, and then I won't have to worry about it. Okay, so next is going to be Michael's. Okay, while in Michael's, this past weekend, I'm going to say, these were $3 a piece. I picked up 5 of them. I've given 2 away. 5 or 6? 2, 4, 5, 6. I picked up 6. No, I'm lying. I picked up 5. This is one of the ones to be given away. And I've given 1 away already, and I have 3 left for myself. And oh, I picked these up too. I thought this was the cutest thing. Look at this guy. With some little puff with some glasses. I got him to go on a TN. My first TN that I was going to put in my Etsy shop. But I thought he was just the cutest little thing. Yes. So he's going to go in there. I hope I can find another one, because I would really love to keep him. Let's start with the container that's the least full. Everything I got, it was on sale. If it wasn't on sale, I had a coupon. I think I had a 50% off coupon. I got one thing that wasn't on sale, I think. Maybe a couple, but anyway. I got this butterfly punch, and it is just the cutest thing to me. And it punches out 3 different butterflies so you can layer them. and I'm really anxious to play with this one. And that's EK Success. I got this thing, and it's called a stapleless stapler. And I just saw it and was curious, so I picked it up. And actually, it's not too bad. This was one of the things I got for half price. So it was originally $6. I paid $2.99 for it. I picked this thing up. Why? I don't know, because I don't need a hole reinforcer. But I thought it would be really cute if I ever decide to start back planning with or decorating my Target dollar spot. And this one is the one with the most stuff in it. But again, everything that you are seeing, 99% of it was on sale, and like I said, I had a coupon for half off. Okay, I picked up these little bird clips. I picked up these stickers right here for a TN that I've already done. And I just thought she was the cutest thing, little mermaid and little ocean scene. This was too cute to me. Little makeup pieces, makeup stickers. So I need to get back into my planning for real. Why I picked these up at Michael's, I don't know. These are some makeup sponges. I just picked them up. I got 4 packs. 4 packs of sticky notes. Like I said, I'm working, trying to perfect my TN skills, TN making skills. I'm going to say perfected, but do better job than what I'm doing. And I want to use these to go on some of the dashboards. I picked up this stretchy cord in the different colors. And I think these will be cute, just as long as I have something to use them with. So I'm going to work on using these different colors on some TNs as well. This is one of the things I purchased that wasn't on sale that I had the 50% off coupon for. It's the Martha Stewart confetti. And I'm going to use this to try and make shaker pockets for my TNs. I picked up 3 tubes of washi. This tube goes with or matches the Blue Blooms paper stack. This one I think matches, what is it, Chic, Uptown Chic paper stack. And this one matches Serenity paper stack. And actually I do have a TN cover that I've made with that Serenity stack, and that's, once I get it finished, it's gonna go in as well. I have some additional charms that I purchased. These were half off as well. Here we go. I have this golden pineapple right here. I have this little teapot. I hope you can see these. I have this little teapot, a camera, cupcake, and coffee cup. This was the last Blue Blooms paper stack in the store, and I picked it up, and the main reason I like this particular stack is because of this sheet right here. This is the main one, and the second runner up for me is, where are you? Actually, I like that one too. This stack is real pretty, just in general. Let me see if I can find it. There it is. I love this sheet as well. And the last thing I picked up were these sheets right here. The open stock paper was the ones that's normally 69 cents. They were 7 for $1. So I got the majority. I got 34 sheets of this because that was all they had, and 1 sheet of color. Well, guys, I hope that didn't take too long. I hope it didn't take too long. But I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All of your comments are truly appreciated. Come back anytime and I'll see you guys in my next video. And by the way, maybe not the very next one, but the one, at least the one after, we'll be announcing the giveaway. So hit the bell so you can get a notification, okay? So I want to thank you for subscribing and have a good evening. Bye bye, guys.